Fatma and welcome to my channel Fun Forever. I am fine. I hope that you guys are also doing fine. So today I am making breakfast and yeah, so today I have a plan to eat fries and a breakfast. Yes, I know it is not a breakfast item, but today weather is so nice and today is rainy weather, so I just think why not? This is a perfect weather to eat fries. So yes, today I had a plan to eat is fries, and that's the reason I am making this video. I hope you also doing fine and enjoying weather if there is a rainy weather at your side. So yes, and especially some people are asking me that reason I'm reading all the comments that you send me on Instagram and other social media. So yes, I am reading, and yes, you can see the fries are cutting. So I was just free, so I just think that I should make a video. There's nothing special about this video. This is just a simple video how you make fries, but I think it's very simple. And but I am just free. I don't know what to do. I am too completely free, so I just think that why not? I should make a video. So it's a very random video, I think, and there is nothing something very special and something different. So there's a very random video, but I hope you like it. And so yes, so I think this video is gonna help those who don't know how to make fries, but I know it's very simple recipe. There's nothing there is nothing difficult. There is like you have to cut it, you have to mix it, you with some with some covering, and then you have to fry it. There's nothing special, but still I think my channel is something whatever I do I show you. So this is what i I had a plan to do today. So yes, and there's lots of exciting videos are coming to your way as well. So if you want to see all that special videos or whatever you suggest me, I'm gonna make it possible for you guys. So all the videos coming very soon, and something which I want to say is that giveaway is also coming away to your way. So many of the people are saying that what you are doing because I mentioned on Instagram that I am free. My routine is very simple, as as I told you early that I wake up, I do my things whatever I want to do, like I walk some time in a fresh air, then I came back, I drink plenty of the water, and then I just took my breakfast. So that this is what I do whenever I feel that I'm free. So yes, you can see that fries are almost ready. Yeah, they're almost ready. So yeah, so you can also can tell me that what you eat in your breakfast. Let me clear one thing, that I don't eat fries every single day in a breakfast. So it's just a special dish for a special weather, because today weather is really pretty. So yeah, maybe when you watch this video there is not a rainy weather. So obviously I have you know make it with this video um, before when you watch it. Okay, so if you have any suggestions, please give me. Um, I am always be waiting for your suggestions and for your comments. So yes, and you can see the fries is ready, and yeah, now I'm gonna almost it's yeah, fries is ready, and I'm gonna eat it right now. So okay, now you can see fries are dished out, and I am taking some ketchup, because fries with ketchup is a perfect combination, like a sharpener and pencil, and like this is a perfect combination. So yes, and now I'm taking a little chaat masala and sprinkle it on the fries, because it gives a amazing flavor, and it looks very yummy. And now I'm gonna eat it. My breakfast is ready. So yes, I'm gonna go and take my breakfast, and don't forget, and please guys subscribe my channel and turn your notifications on, and